Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Ernie Smith's wife, Janet, has died. Ernie Smith, back in 2017, told The Gleaner that the most exciting part of his life was getting back in touch with his wife, Janet. As though both of them attended the same school, they eventually went their separate ways and only reunited 25 years ago, and according to Ernie, it's been magic ever since. In that same Gleaner article, Janet states that of the 200 songs Ernie has written, she is assured that all of them are for her. E-Prime offers condolences to the family of Ernie Smith. Buju Banton releases powerful visuals for Blessed. The visuals for Blessed, which was shown on a billboard in Times Square, New York, also highlights the racial tension in America surrounding the death of George Floyd. Since the release of the new album Upside Down last Friday, Buju Banton has received rave reviews and publicity in North America, showing up on the cover of Vibe magazine and receiving multiple features in Essence magazine and GQ. Dexter Daps is ready to vent. Dancehall artist Dexter Daps is set to release a new album dubbed Vent. Whilst making the announcement yesterday via Instagram, the breaking news singer shared that 2020 has been a challenging year for us all. So we have our own ways of venting, and today he will start to reveal his through songs off his visual album titled Vent. The singer premiered the first episode of the visual Vent series entitled Heartless, which features two songs in one, Leave Her Alone and the title track Vent.
I'm trying to be bitter, no, but I'd rather be a quitter than fall short. I trusted you with everything, but now I've got to move on. You've been fooling me for too long.
Dexter Daps' latest single, Breaking News, since its release back in April, has racked up over 3.9 million views on YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.